Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with PayPal on Expedia. So let's get into the video. So open up Expedia. So once you open up Expedia, log into your account. If you have an account, you can log into your account. And then just like how you normally use Expedia for your bookings. So look for any bookings or whatever you want to make a reserve for. So for example, if I'm going to make a hotel booking, so just choose any booking. So just choose a random one here and then just add it to your or like go through the reserve page so that we can go to the payment session. So I'll just add these, and then once you get to here, when you get to your, you have selected all your rooms and everything. So for example, in this case, since it's a hotel booking, so you'll get to this booking page here, like the payment page here, where you actually do the payment. So when you get to here, so as usual, plug in your details, your personal details, and then when you get to this payment section here, so when you get to this payment section here, you will see an option. There's a tab called PayPal here. So if you want to pay with PayPal, simply click on PayPal. Okay, and also note that this option is only available at certain regions because at certain regions where PayPal is acceptable. So just keep that in mind. So all you have to do is simply hit on this PayPal tab and then fill in your details and then just continue to PayPal. So if you scroll down and hit on continue to PayPal, and then this will now prompt you to your PayPal page where you go to log into your PayPal account and then just complete this transaction. So that's how you can use or pay with PayPal on Expedia. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.